Yes, once again, let's remind ourselves the challenges of VLookp formula. We want the VLookp formula to help us to look up for the value of Peter, specifically with the subject English. Peter, the subject of English, 43. If we want to remind ourselves, the formula for VLookp was, we start with equal sign, then with VLookp, opening the brackets, the VLookp value, this name Peter, you click there, then comma, you highlight the table array, the table where our answers are supposed to be. This is the table array. Then you lock the table array with the dollar signs by using F4 on the keyboard. If you press it, then English in this case is in column 2. This is column 1, column 2, column 3, 4, 5, and 6. And since the marks for English is in column 2, then we write 2, then a comma, and since we are in need of the exact match, these are the names, then we write 0, then you close the brackets. If you press enter, then we are told that Peter has got 43, the subject of English. This is the normal procedure for the VLookp formula. But here we are subjected to one challenge. Now, what if the subject changes to agriculture? Let's copy this one and paste here, agriculture. The marks remains constant, 43, the marks for English. The reason is agriculture in this table array is in the first, second, third, fourth, and fifth column. So since the column we've written here is 2 columns, this is not changing. This is the reason why the marks won't change. Now, the best solution is to make this column number to be flexible. It has to change on its own on the basis of this, the name of the subject entered on the top here. Now, how will that be possible? Solution is we nest this VLookp formula with the other formula, which will facilitate to make this column number flexible to change every now and then. And the solution will be, let's try to match it, to combine with the match formula. Match formula, equal sign, then match what? Our problem is when this subject changes, so we have to match with this subject. The lookup array, this array of where names of the subjects have been written, the matching type should be exact match. Then we write there 0. If you close and press enter, we are told that agriculture is in the 5th column. That is the first column, second column, third column, fourth column, fifth column. We are almost done. If this is the case, then we have to combine the match formula with the VLookp formula so that this column number should be flexible. It will be changing. Now, simply we can do like this way. Let's copy the entire formula for match. Copy. After copying, then let's come here, edit. The problem was here with the column number, which has been written manually, so it won't change. Then let's copy this formula of match here so that the formula will be flexible, changing every now and then. If we press enter, we are told that Peter, the subject of agriculture, has got 15. Now our formula will be flexible. Let's change it to biology. If we write biology, Peter has got 96. What if we change to the other name, Kasim? If we write Kasim, biology has got 36. So, in summary way, if we write it in full sense, the formula is equal sign VLookp, what? This name, comma, the table array, this entire table array. Then we lock by pressing F4 on the keyboard, then comma. Here is where we are supposed to write now the column number. Since this number will be changing, then we incorporate it with the match formula. Then we write match what? The problem is with this subject, where the row where the names of the subjects have been written. The matching type should be the exact one, 0, then comma. Then the entire VLookp formula has to be the exact match. Then we write 0, then you close the brackets. Here, this is the formula where when these names of the subject and the name of the students will be changing, the formula will adjust itself in terms of the column number. Now, I want to welcome you for the other piece of video, but I want you to start thinking of what if the subject does not match with these subjects. For instance, the one who was entering this name mistakenly has misspelled the name. For instance, in the name biology is written biology like this way. We are told it's not available. We want, if it's not available, this should be left blank. That's one. The other challenge is, if Kasim biology has got 36, what if Kasim has not done this biology? The place for marks of biology is empty like this one. The logic says that Kasim has got 0. This is not true. Has not done. There should be a difference. If a person has got 0, this one should be 0. But if a person has not done completely, this place should be left blank. Now, try to think of the solutions of these problems, and if you've got the solution, we may share through my email. Share the videos through my email. My email is samasika@gmail.com. Otherwise, you wait for the next video. Get prepared so that we share how do we solve for this kind of problem. I once again welcome you for the next video to solve these kinds of problems. Thank you.